It was designed for Windows 95, a bulky heavyweight, the Texas Instruments TravelMate 5200. Yes, you heard right, the TravelMate once belonged to Texas Instruments before they sold their mobile computer business to Acer in 1997. And you can see this machine in action at this year's Vintage Computer Festival Switzerland at the EntherTechnikWelt in Derendingen Solothurn. But first, some polishing, cleaning out this goo here as the rubber pads have dissolved. I'm also adding a PCI Ethernet card into the dock, since I'll bring some retro network tech along. Except it didn't work because of resource conflicts. Still, it was a real blast from the past. The machine even showed me an early 2018 logo long before I branded myself as the Vintage Collector. To fix things up, I had to disassemble the whole unit, even remove a hidden screw behind this extra label. The residue of the old label here shows it was serviced before, whereas clearly the label I peeled off was still intact. One center post was broken too, so I repaired that and replaced the CMOS battery, adding new wires for an external holder. This Citizen W1D floppy drive got a new belt, though it still needs a second round of fixing. I also reinforced the right hand hinge mounts and soaked both hinges in oil so they'd move smoothly again. Last but not least, I disassembled those old batteries to remove and dispose the leaked cells. No restoration here, but just an empty enclosure afterwards. So why did I choose this machine? Well, maybe I'll reveal that in another VCFE companion video. Looking forward to meeting you in person, November 8th and 9th 2025 for the Vintage Computer Festival at EntherTechnikWelt in Solothurn, Switzerland.